Hey, my friend Daniel here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. And in this video, I want to talk about the myEcon compensation plan and how to rank up fast. I want to break it down for you so you can understand how to quickly rank up and maximize the myEcon compensation plan so you can make the most amount of money. Now, before we get into the strategy and what you need to know and where you need to be as far as how many people do you need on your team, how many people do you need to personally bring in, we're going to get to that. But first, it's important to have an understanding of what the myEcon compensation plan actually is and what you could be earning every single month with the monthly renewals. Now, yes, you can make money as you're personally sponsoring, as you're bringing people in, as your team members are bringing in. But to truly understand where the real power of the myEcon compensation plan is, it's in the monthly renewals, which is also known as the Dream Team Residuals, also known as DTR, because like all companies, we like to use acronyms. So as you can see here, what is right on your screen, the very first thing that you want to focus on is making sure that you are at least a gold member. Now, when most people start, they are an EVP, which is short for Executive Vice President, and then you can rank up from there. Everybody starts as an EVP, Executive Vice President, and then you rank up to gold, which is your first level. You rank up to platinum, second level, EVP Infinity, okay, and then CEO Infinity, which is the highest rank, which is where I am at. Now, in order to rank up and get to those levels, I'm going to show you that here in just a second. But gold is really your first destination. So as your team starts to duplicate, as your team starts to grow, that's when you can start earning additional overrides on your team growth. So as you see right there on your screen, your second generation on down, also known as your second level, second person, picture a unilevel, one straight line of people coming in. You sponsor someone, okay, who's on your Gen 1, they sponsor someone who's on their Gen 2, your Gen 2, and then they sponsor someone 3, 4, and it just keeps going out and it goes out to infinity, okay? So your first goal is to get to gold. Then you start earning money on the size of your team. And then obviously from there, you can see the higher rank you go as you get up to platinum and then infinity, EVP infinity, right? And then CEO infinity, your final destination here. You can see a huge dramatic dollar difference every single month. So what you're seeing on your screen right now is your monthly renewals, your monthly residual income, which by the way, in myEcon with their compensation plan gets paid out on the first Friday of every month. Okay. And these are huge paydays, guys. These are absolutely huge paydays. You know, some of us literally are making five figures in a single week. And that, of course, is what's possible with the myEcon compensation plan. So, you know, you want to get from EVP to gold as quickly as possible. And I'm going to show you on the next slide exactly how simple it is to do that. You can actually get to gold without even sponsoring a single person. Okay. And then obviously up from platinum, let me map out for you exactly what you do, what numbers you need to have, where you need to be, etc. We're going to go through that, but you can see the huge dollar difference, you know, 70 cents per person as a gold, all the way up to $13.30 per person as a CEO Infinity. Dramatic difference. And that's how, you know, there's people in myEcon that are making massive amounts of money, five figures per month, five figures per week. That could be you. So let's head on over to the next slide. And of course, guys, any questions on the myEcon compensation plan, I'll leave my phone number right here at the top of this video. You can send me a text message or drop a comment down below. So let's head on over to the next slide now. So this is how you can rank up fast. Now, there are two entry points into the myEcon business. You have the FSM membership, and then you have the EBM membership. So to break those down simply, one membership is $39 a month. The other membership is $59 a month. So there's a $20 difference. Really not a big deal. So in order to instantly rank up to gold, okay, and this is right on the myEcon website, right in their PDF on the full compensation plan. You can look at this yourself. But this is a simplified version of that. So you can just quickly and easily understand it. Save this video, bookmark this video, whatever you got to do so you can reference this at another time. but this is the simple and easy way to understand ranking up with the myEcon compensation plan. So the fastest way to get to gold is just to be an EBM, to be an elite business manager, AKA be at the $59 per month level. You don't even have to sponsor anybody. So the alternative is you could be at the lower level, which is the $39 per month level, and you would have to sponsor 2 people to get to gold. Or you just be at the higher per month level and you're automatically at gold. Okay, so that's the quickest way to rank up. And then as you start building and growing your team, you're already going to be qualified to earn from the depth of your team. As I just shared with you on the previous slide, you'll earn from generation 2 and 3. Now, to get to platinum, it literally just takes 10 people on your team, 2 personally sponsored from you, and no more than 5 people per leg. So legitimately, to get to platinum, okay, now, again, if you go reference that previous slide, I'll even show you really quick. When you're at platinum, now instead of earning between 50 cents and 70 cents per person, now you're earning, you just almost tripled that, right? You're going, you actually did triple that. You're going from $3 to $4.20 per person. That's a huge difference. So in order to do that, you need 2 personally sponsored, no more than 5 people per leg, and a total of 10 people. So you could have 2 legs of 5 people each, and now you are qualified. You could also, okay, so if your team doesn't produce, if you're bringing in people and they just sit there like lumps and they don't do anything, you could go out and personally sponsor 10 people yourself. That would be 10 legs. Okay. Boom. And now you're at platinum. Okay. Now you can qualify to earn off of your team, which is again between $3 and $4.20 every time they renew every single month. Okay. And that gets paid on your second, third, and fourth generation, or second, third, and fourth level. You with me so far? Good. Pretty straightforward. Now, in order to get to EVP, this is where you can start getting paid down to, just like it says, infinity, my friends, infinity. So you only need, this is incredible. This is why this compensation plan is just so strong and so powerful. In order to get paid down to infinity, now all of these ranks, it's important to mention here that all of these ranks that I'm showing you, you are at the EBM level. You are at the $59 a month level. If you are at the lower level, the $39 a month level, these numbers will not work for you. You have to be at the higher level, which basically just means for you, it's going to take you less people to rank higher in the company. Now, here's the beauty too, and I want to mention this. A lot of people get worried or concerned about having a monthly membership. Oh, it's another monthly bill. It's another, bill that I'm adding to whatever. You got your groceries, your bills, your gas, your Netflix, your Hulu, your all other stuff that you're paying for. One sale a month at the EBM level will cover the cost of your membership, because somebody joins for $99.95 and then you get paid a $70 commission. That $70 commission more than covers the cost of your monthly membership. So I want you to think about that for a second when you're looking at the myEcon compensation plan, when you're looking at deciding on, are you going to invest into myEcon and consider this a viable business? Because you should, because it's the best compensation plan that I've seen out there. It's the most direct, most straightforward, most lucrative, and it takes literally 1 sale a month to cover the cost of your monthly membership. 1. That's it. That is literally it. So to get to EVP Infinity, 60 or more people, 2 personally sponsored, which is nothing. Okay. And no more than 30 on 1 leg. So yes, you could literally do that with just 2 people, and those 2 people could turn around and bring in 60 people, 30 on each leg. And now you're at EVP Infinity, and now you can earn down to infinity. And when we go back here, you see another dramatic jump from platinum up to infinity. Okay. You more than doubled. Okay. More than doubled what you could make as a platinum as a infinity, right? Between $8 and $11.20 per person every single month, down through 5 levels or 5 generations. And then from 6 on down, between $5 and $7. Pretty incredible compensation right there, my friends. Now, if you really want to kick it up a notch and you want to get to CEO Infinity, this is, in my opinion, this is the biggest stretch in the compensation plan, going from EVP Infinity up to CEO Infinity. It's where the biggest gap is. It's where the biggest stretch is for you. And to get to CEO Infinity, which is where I am, you need 300 or more on your team, 2 personally sponsored, which again, nothing, right? And then no more than 100 on one leg. So realistically, it takes more than, even though the compensation plan says 2, it takes more than 2 personally sponsored. Okay. You're going to actually need at least 3 sponsored. Okay. And you'll have 100 on each leg. Or again, the alternative here, remember what I said with Platinum, you could personally go out if you're a major recruiter and you go out and personally sponsor 300 people. It's the same exact thing. They don't all have to be in 3 legs. So when you picture a compensation plan, it doesn't have to be 3 legs of 100 people in each leg. It doesn't have to be that way. You could have 19 legs. You could have 100 legs. You could have 300 legs. It really doesn't matter. And a leg is each person that you personally sponsor. So if you have personally sponsored 5 people, you have 5 legs. Personally sponsored 10 people, 10 legs. I hope that makes sense. Pretty straightforward. So those right there, what you see are the fastest ways to rank up inside of myEcon with their compensation plan. And as you can see here, again, going from EVP Infinity to CEO Infinity is, again, another big difference in pay. You can earn all the way up to $13.30 per person on your team every single month. And then that goes down through infinity. And you can see the jump from level 6 on down. You went from $5 to $7 up to $6 to $8.40. This is where it's so incredible. And again, this pays down to infinity. So whether there's 100 people on your team or 10,000 people on your team, you can earn from every single person on your team every single month. There is no cap on your income. Okay. You can literally get paid down to infinity on every single person, which is also known as in the industry as a true transactional compensation plan. This is not based off of volume. There's no catches. There's no gotchas where you have to hit certain volume requirements, buy X amount of products per month, or spending X amount of money per month. No. As long as your membership is active and you hit those qualifications that you see on your screen right there, you can earn as much money as you want. And that to me is an incredible compensation plan. And that right there, what you see on your screen, is how you rank up. And it all starts with being an EBM, being an elite business manager, and being at the higher tiered level. There's 2 membership levels. Be at the higher level. And I always say this to my team, and I will say this to you. If you want to attract $100 members, because it's $99.95 to join, if you want to attract $100 memberships, be a $100 person. Do not join at the $20 level and then wish and hope and pray for $100 sales, because it most likely will not happen, my friend. We get what we are, not what we want. So if you want $100 sales, be a $100 person. There you have it, my friend. That is the myEcon compensation plan broken down in simple and easy to understand language, black and white, right there on your screen. You want to rank up fast. That is exactly how to do it. So there you go. Hope you got value from this video. If you did and you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Also ring that bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I put out new content, which is all the time, and you will be first to know via email from YouTube. And if you are ready to get started with myEcon, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me, drop a comment or shoot me a text message. That is it, my friend. I will see you on the next one. Take care.